Are you a doctor planning to move to Australia? This video breaks down the exact registration roadmap you need. Step 1 is passing the required English language test, either IELTS or OAT, to prove your communication skills. Next, create an EPIC account and begin verification of your medical credentials to confirm their authenticity. Submit your primary medical qualification and identity documents for EPIC verification. Carefully follow all document requirements. Start preparing for the AMC exams. Use official AMC resources, textbooks, and practice questions to build your knowledge. Register for and complete the AMC CAT MCQ exam, also called AMC Part 1. Passing this is essential. Once you pass AMC Part 1, review your results and immediately start planning for the clinical exam. Prepare for the AMC clinical exam, AMC Part 2, by joining workshops or practicing with mock patients in a skills lab. Sit for the AMC clinical exam. This assesses your practical skills, diagnosis, and patient communication abilities. When you pass AMC Part 2, you're now eligible to proceed with registration steps and begin seeking hospital positions. Update your CV and start searching for supervised medical positions in Australia. Apply through hospital websites and professional networks. Prepare for interviews with Australian hospitals. Highlight your clinical skills, English proficiency, and readiness to learn local procedures. Gather all required documents and submit your application for registration to AHPRA, Australia's medical board. Begin your period of supervised practice, working under the guidance of senior medical staff to gain local experience. This roadmap leads to registration and makes you eligible for PR pathways. Your Australian medical journey starts now.